In this video, we're going to be multiplying binomials containing radicals. And we have a reminder of the product rule for radicals and the distributive property. In 1, it says multiply, assume all variables represent positive real numbers. So A, we have x plus 2 times 3x minus 5, and we want to FOIL. So we're going to have x times 3x is 3x squared. X times negative 5 is negative 5x. 2 times 3x is equal to 6x. And 2 times negative 5 is negative 10. And now we want to combine like terms. And our middle two terms are the only like terms we have. So we have 3x squared, and we have minus 5x plus 6x gives us plus x minus 10. In B, we have the square root of 2 minus 2 times the square root of 6 plus 3, and we're going to FOIL. So we have the square root of 2 times the square root of 6 gives us the square root of 12. The square root of 2 times 3 is 3 square root of 2. And we have negative 2 times the square root of 6 is minus 2 square root of 6. And negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. And now we want to simplify the radical or radicals. And in this case, the only radical that can be simplified is our square root of 12. 12 can be written as 4 times 3, and the square root of 4 is 2, so we have 2 square root of 3 plus 3 square root of 2 minus 2 square root of 6 minus 6. In C, we have the square root of 2 minus 2 times 5 square root of 6 plus 3 square root of 3. And we're going to FOIL first. So we have the square root of 2 times 5 square root of 6, which is going to be 5 square root of 12. The square root of 2 times 3 times the square root of 3 is going to be 3 square root of 6. And now we have negative 2 times 5 square root of 6 is going to be minus 10 square root of 6. And we have negative 2 times 3 square root of 3, which is going to be negative 6 square root of 3. And now we want to simplify our radicals. And the only radical that can be simplified is the square root of 12. So we're going to have the square root of 12 could be the square root of 4 times the square root of 3, and the square root of 4 is 2. 2 times 5 is 10 times the square root of 3 plus 3 square root 6 minus 10 square root 6 minus 6 square root 3. And now it wants us to combine our like terms. And our like terms are 10 square root of 3 minus 6 square root of 3 is 4 square root 3. And we have 3 square root of 6 minus 10 square root of 6 is negative 7 square root of 6. In D, we have 4 times the square root of 6 minus 2 times the square root of 3 times 5 square root of 6 plus 3 square root of 3. And we're going to FOIL first. So we have 4 square root of 6 times 5 square root of 6 gives us 20 square root of 36 plus 4 square root of 6 times 3 square root of 3 is 12 square root of 18. And we have negative 2 square root of 3 times 5 square root of 6 is negative 10 square root of 18. And then we have negative 2 square root of 3 times 3 square root of 3, which is negative 6 square root of 9. And now we want to simplify each term. The square root of 36 is 6. 6 times 20 is 120. Plus, the square root of 18 can be the square root of 9 times the square root of 2, and the square root of 9 is 3. 3 times 12 is 36 times the square root of 2 minus, we have the square root of 18 again, so the square root of 9 times the square root of 2. Square root of 9 is 3. 3 times 10 is 30 times the square root of 2 minus, the square root of 9 is 3. 3 times 6 is 18. And now we want to combine like terms. So we have 120 minus 18 gives us 102. And then we have 36 square root of 2 minus 30 square root of 2 leaves us with 6 square root of 2. In E, we have the square root of 2 times the square root of 5x minus the square root of 2y times the square root of 5x plus 2 times the square root of 10y. First thing we want us to do is multiply the first two factors. So we're going to have the square root of 2 times the square root of 5x, which is the square root of 10x, minus the square root of 2 times the square root of 2y is the square root of 4y, times the square root of 5x plus 2 times the square root of 10y. And now they want us to FOIL. So we have the square root of 10x times the square root of 5x is the square root of 50x squared. And then we have the square root of 10x times 2 times the square root of 10y, which is going to be 2 times the square root of 100xy. And then we have negative square root of 4y times the square root of 5x, which is minus the square root of 20xy. And then we have negative square root of 4y times 2 times the square root of 10y, which is minus 2 times the square root of 40y squared. And now they want us to simplify each term. So we have the square root of 50x squared could be written as the square root of 25 times 2 times x squared plus 2 times the square root of, now 100 is already in a perfect square, so we don't have to rewrite it, minus the square root of 4 times 5xy minus 2 times the square root of 4 times 10y squared. And now we're going to take all the perfect squares out of the radicals. So we have the square root of 25x squared can be written as 5x times the square root of 2 plus the square root of 100 is 10. 10 times 2 is 20 times the square root of xy minus, we have the square root of 4 is 2 times the square root of 5xy minus the square root of 4y squared can be written as 2y times 2 gives us 4y times the square root of 10. And that's our video on multiplying binomials containing radicals.